Well, good afternoon, scrappers. Hope you're all fantastic. I'm smiling. Okay, I was talking to the wife before, having a bit of a laugh. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm not going to go there. But anyway, I hope you're all fantastic. I'm sensational, having the time of me life, as usual. Okay, and right now, where am I sitting? Yes, I'm sitting. Yes, you wouldn't believe it. I'm sitting down, I'm not standing or leaning against the skip bin or whatever. But mind you, I've got Old Faithful. Okay, yes, I've had a couple already. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to cut my fingers off or whatever. Always careful. I've had it for years and I've worked in the timber industry using all sorts of equipment. So we're good, rightio, we're good. Anyway, so I'm sitting at the Knights table, rightio. I'm calling it the Knights table. It was a table I had upstairs and we've taken it down, and I was going to throw it away, but it's come in handy. I'm going to use it for shit like this, rightio. We've replaced it with another table. It was a hand-me-down from Mum and Dad, along with a new couch. A hand-me-down. But let's not get distracted. Let's get to what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about these things. Okay? We all know what these are called. Now this particular, okay, you can either call them a transformer or a ballast, okay? This particular one is a ballast. Oh yeah, this is from a high bay light. Actually part of the 22 high bay lights that I got for free quite a number of weeks ago. Yes, they have been sitting in the corner of my garage, and I thought I'd finally have a crack at getting the copper out. Now, so I didn't look a downright fool, okay? I had a go at getting them out first, you know? It's kind of like, here's something I prepared earlier. Like with the cooking shows. Now, I like cooking too. I hope you do as well. You know how to cook, you'll never go hungry. But my wife also does that too, but let's forget about that again. So, this is what I removed earlier, okay? I took two. Why? I took two because I tried something different. This one here I did on the ground earlier today. This one I did at the Knights table. And no, I don't have a vice yet. Yes, I'm an absolute slack ass. I haven't bought a vice. Okay, don't give me grief about it. I just haven't done it. Just other things to do, etc. I've still got to buy like an electric winch, etc. Maybe to attach to the roof there to help pick up stuff, and maybe to the a steel pole for when I'm mobile picking up stuff. But again, let's not get distracted. So this one here, clamp. This is my vice. Just a trial, just to see how it goes as I said, so I don't look a downright fool. It worked just fine, rightio. Just fine. So let's have a look at what we have got. That is what we have got remaining. Okay, we have got 2, 4, 6, 8, rightio, 8. So I've already done 2. So all to hang on a minute. 9. We have 9. 9 of those, and then we've got another whole heap of a different sort of the rectangular shaped things. Let's not worry about that just yet. We're going to do these ones. We'll make the rectangulars a different video because I've got to do another trial and error to make sure I don't look an absolute goose doing it. So anyway, that is that. Now what I've done is, I've actually weighed one of these already. To be honest, I actually weighed 2 of them, both individually, just to get an idea of the weight of the things, rightio. And I'm going to turn this scale on. You hear that beep beep? Okay, we heard the scale. And we're going to weigh this one. And this one weighs 825 grams. Take that one off. Let's check this one. And that one weighs That one there, it's a new one. Yeah, okay, it looks the same, twin brother. 832. So there is a slight variation. Oh, look at that, I can feel the weight in it too. Oh my, whoa, oh my God. Look, this has already turned into a 5-minute video of just talking garbage. So, without any further ado, or whatever the word is, I'm going to set up, and well, I'm already set up. Let's get stuck into the bloody thing, and we can have a look at getting these things done. So to do these, I've got a cold chisel and a hammer. Oh, and also a G-clamp and me side cutters. Okay, just some of the tools of the trade. And I tell you what, I've got to readjust this camera because it's in an ordinary angle, especially when I gotta clamp things to the bench. Okay, that's a better view. Yes, I've got black pants on, so it's all right. There's no holes in it. You can't see me jocks or any of that sort of garbage. So this is what we're gonna do. Cold chisel, and what you'll see is, you'll see a bit of a groove there. So we're gonna smash that, okay? And then, once we smash this, I'm gonna smash the base of this off, okay? So let's get stuck in. As you can see, that goes there. And in the garden it went. My goodness, let's go fishing. I got it back. Let's continue. Clamp it down. Wonderful. Now I'm going to chisel. Let's just undo this again, okay? So rude. Didn't even show you what I'm going to do next. So now we're going to chisel in this little gap here, okay? We were meant to ply it off, and as usual, things don't always go to plan when the video's in motion. Rightio? I hate when it happens. Okay, they just still look a downright goose. A downright goose. Anyway, let's have a look. Better. There we go. Slide it off, and that's what we've got left. Excellent. Now we'll do the same thing, flip it around, and we'll do it again on this side. Don't worry about the knight's table. As I said, it was going to go to the tip, but we decided to use it for something else. This. Unreal piece of cake. So all we've got left now is this bit here. Let's get the hammer, bit of a bok. And there you go. You heard the noise, it all came out. bit of it fell on the floor. It doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, for goodness sake, here we go. Wants to give me grief, doesn't want to come out. There we go. That's that. These parts here, okay, just fold them, bend them, break them off. Wonderful, look at that. Done. Goes in the rubbish. Steel goes over there. Steel we can sell later. Just remove some of this paper. Unreal. Probably best I not talk, so that way you can see it all in action. But you know what I mean? Now, I saw a project shop do a whole heap of these the other day. It's a project shop, I think it's what it's called. And yeah, he did like a whole heap of these in like a matter of no time. He had the right equipment. He's got like
hello.
He's got like a press machine and all that sort of stuff, and it's just like, bam, done. Okay, so this is kind of a bit of a primitive way, but nonetheless, still rather effective. I do remember one of my subscribers, Brad, sending me a video of him doing these too, actually. And yeah, he did it in an alright way. He had a vice, okay? I myself, I've got no vice. I'm still a goose. I just haven't bothered to buy one, but these are done in no time at all. Crikey. How long's it been? Oh goodness, 25 minutes.
Hello, I'm going to shower. I would shower.
Mind you, 5 minutes or 6 minutes was of me just blabbering away. Hey you boys, go tell mummy some sprinkle. Go and tell mummy there's some sprinkling. Or mummy taking the clothes off the line already. Hey, go in the backyard and tell me if the clothes are off the line. Hey? You think, but you're not looking. Okay. Oh. Wonderful. Scrapping. As fun as it is, it also involves problem solving. Now at school, my problem solving skills were up the shit. Very, very ordinary, okay? My schooling career was pretty ordinary altogether. But that doesn't matter, okay? You don't have to be a genius at school to, you know, get ahead in life. So, now I can get back to knocking this crap off. Wonderful. All this steel adds to the money you've made from the ballast, rightio. It's pretty heavy, and if you're getting 26 cents a kilo or 27 or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It all adds up. Well, don't forget while I'm at it, I've got a new fella who's doing YouTube videos. I've mentioned him earlier in another video. I'll mention him again because he's kind enough to say my name. Check out the Happy Scrappy. he's only just starting out in the YouTube sort of world. So if you haven't seen him, check him out. He's got a couple of videos up. Give him a like, a subscribe if you wish, and tell him I sent you. Rightio. Tell him I sent you. As I said, he's always kind enough to mention my name, so I thought, well, what the heck, I can return the favour. I mean, as I said, we've all got to earn our stripes in the YouTube world, you know. Likes and subs and all that sort of crap don't just come like that. You know, it takes discovery and all that sort of thing, and a bit of frustration as well along the way, I must add. But anyway, yeah, check him out, The Happy Scrappy. Talks about circuit boards and whatever else he may come across. He's a bit like me in a way. He buys his scrap along also with finding his scrap as well, like I do. I find free scrap, but the majority of it is buying it. But yes, we do find scrap, and so does he. Hopefully that made some sense. Or 6 minutes of blabbing on. So as you can see, the light kind of sucks. But what we're going to do, we're going to weigh up what we've done, rightio. Yes, it took a little under an hour, say what, 54 minutes, 53 minutes, okay. But when you see this, it'll be all quick and shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Well, not too long to view anyway. So I'm going to flick this around. Ready? Well, there we are. Let's press the button. Where's the bucket? Oh, there's the bucket. We're going to tear the bucket. And I'm going to pause this just for a second because I've got to pick the stuff up. And there we have it. For the 8 that I did, was it 8? Was it 9? Oh, crikey, I don't even remember, for goodness sake. But for the amount that I did in that time frame, we have 7.7 kilos. Ideally 10 would be nice, it would be easier to work out, for goodness sake. So now I've got to think about what does that equate to dollar-wise, because this is burnt copper. Rightio, burnt copper. What do we have? what was a burnt kilo? Was something like $11. $11 something a kilo. For the argument's sake, let's just call it $11. So what? 11, 22, 33. So what's that one? 100. Let's just call it 80. We'll call that 80 something bucks in the time frame it took to do it. Let's just round it up to 90. Let's just say $85 it took to do those ballasts in the time frame of the video. Look, it's not anything special like Project Shop. He's got a pretty wild setup. Okay, he gets things done really fast and pretty effectively. So I don't have that kind of setup, and I've got shit there on my face as well. I can see it there. I'm going to get my eyes. But anyway, it wasn't too bad. I'm fairly happy. I don't feel I worked too hard. I just sat down, hammer and cold chisel, unreal. Now, unfortunately, that timed out, and I would have liked to have. Oh, I would have liked to have bloody. That's all right. I know what it was. It was 7.7, and I can just minus. What's that? 7.7.6. Oh, it doesn't matter. Look, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we've got something like 9.2 kilos out of 10 ballasts. I think it was 10. Radio in my eyes. Keep looking to the right there. Outrageous. Whether it's don't want to wear my sunglasses at night like old mate did. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I hope you somewhat found the video enjoyable. Okay, have the time of your life. Like, subscribe, ring the big ding, and have an awesome weekend. We'll see you all again really soon. Have a top one, everyone. Bye for now.